Okay, hemodialysis machine. Hemodialysis is a technique that replaces the main function of the kidney by passing the blood through a filter and where it is cleaned, returning the patient free of impurities.
The dialysis machine through hemodialysis blood is drawn to the patient, which is taken to a specially designed machine to purify it, eliminating from it what the kidney can't, and returning it to the patient under appropriate conditions. A dialysis machine works in the following way: extract blood, clean blood, and finally return clean blood.
Okay, in this part we can see the simulation of a hemodialysis machine. You can control procedure times, volume of blood, toxic elements, and anticoagulant. Heparin is an anticoagulant.
For the design of the hemodialysis interface, it was done in Latvia, and basically a sine wave a signal was generated with noise, and a pass filter was placed down, which cleaned the signal and left clean, free of noise and interference, thus making the simulation of dirty blood and the filter clean blood.
Okay, in this part is
in this part we have the alarms. The first alarm is the air detector or a bubble. The arterial pressure is the second alarm. It is activated when the arterial pressure is not normal. The next alarm is the battery or the dialyzer, and this alarm is activated when the battery or the dialyzer is disconnected. The other alarm is flow, and the final alarm is the temperature. The alarm of air detector, flow, and temperature is random.
and finally we can see the maintains.
It's important cleaning the external surface, the exterior of the dialysis machine should be cleaned after each treatment. It can be cleaned with dilute chlorine in 1 to 100%, or another disinfectant for hospitals. Clean and disinfect bicarbonate concentrate containers ones from suction leads according to facility protocol. The chemical rinse button executes a program that disinfects the hydraulic system with a chemical disinfectant. following by an immediate water rinse to clean the waste system. In this part, we can see the alarm of air detector or bubble, and we can see that it is random. The other alarm that it is random is the temperature.